Yes, people, today we have an important tutorial because we're gonna cancel your transaction in Remitly. And your Remitly transfer can be cancelled as long as your recipient hasn't received their money yet. When your transfer is cancelled, you'll be refunded automatically. You also have the option to change your transfer if you need to update your recipient's information or other transfer details. Well, we're gonna have some steps, and the steps are written here and you can follow them. It's only about the Remitly app, guys. For the video for remitly.com, I make another video and it's listed down below. Yes, cancel your transfer in the Remitly app. First, open the Remitly app and sign in, of course. From the list on your home screen, choose the transfer you'd like to cancel. Scroll to the bottom of the transfer details and select Cancel Transfer. Choose Yes to cancel and to confirm. Select a reason for your cancellation, then choose Submit. Check out or refund details and your refund will arrive. Well, and one more time, this is only possible as long as your recipient hasn't received their money yet, and there will be a clear edit button at your transfer. If the edit button is gone, you can't cancel your transfer anymore. Yes, so I hope I was clear in this video. Please, if you want to know more about remitly.com and the version, I list a video down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.